Today, mga kamat. Today, sasagutan natin ang isang mixture problem mula sa 1001 problem, solve engineering problem. Isang malaking tulong ito kung nag-review ka for any exam, especially sa board exam. Ito kasing tanong ito ay minsan lang lumalabas. Sige, ito na. Basahin natin sa tanong. How much water must be evaporated from 10 kilogram solution which has 4% salt to make a solution of 10% salt? Okay? Analyze natin. Kailangan natin mag-evaporate or bawasan ang tubig ng 10 kilogram 4% salt solution para daw makagawa tayo ng 10% solution. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, iba tong problem na to kasi magbabawas tayo. Most of the problems na na-encounter kasi natin ay lagi tayong naghahalo ng mga solusyon para ma-achieve natin expected outcome. Pero dito, magbabawas tayo. Ngayon, tinatanong kung ilang kilo ng water ang kailangan daw bawasin o tanggalin, i-evaporate from 10 kilogram solution na may 4% salt para makagawa ng 10% salt. Again, kung napapansin nyo, kalimitan, ang ginagawa natin ay nag-analyze tayo in terms of salt content, which is, for example, meron tayong solution sa isang container na may 4% salt. Ang lagi natin ginagawa is 10 times 0.04 which is 4% salt. Right? Then, equal sa 0.4 this time kilogram of salt, which is we don't do it in this problem. Dito sa problem na ito kasi, in terms of water content naman tayo at magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang equation. Okay, simulan natin ang pagsasolve. Ngayon, kung 4% ang salt mo dito sa 10 kilogram, syempre, ang water mo is 100% or 1 minus 0.04% equals 10 kilogram times 0.96 equals 9.6 kilogram of water or H2O. Right? Ngayon guys, sabi dito, sige, naglagay tayo ng halimbawa. Ito ay isang container na naglalaman ng um, 4% salt minus water, which is X in kilogram equals Y kilogram at 10% solution. Ngayon, dito, gagawin natin, okay, para hindi tayo malito, unless X equals mass or weight, mass of water to be evaporated. And Y equals mass of solution, which is 10%. Okay? First equation, equation 1 equals or right 10 kilogram minus X kilogram of water equals Y kilogram of 10% solution. This one. Equation 2 10%, ngayon naman yung water content. 10%, 1 minus 0.04 minus x times 100% na water equals y times 1 minus 0.1, which is 10% of salt, which is equal to 10 times 0.96 minus x equals y times 0.90, right? Then solving 9.6 minus x equals 0.9y. Okay? Second solution. E ngayon, substitute equation 1 to equation 2. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin dito guys is x. Okay? Which is the mass of H2O to be evaporated. So, ang gagawin natin is, sasubstitute natin si value ng y sa equation 2, which is 9.6 minus x equals 0.9y, where y equals 10 minus x. Ito yun guys, sa equation mo natin. Okay? Okay? Moving on. Substitute natin. 9.6 minus x equals 0.9 times 10 minus x. Right? Okay, continue here. 9.6 minus x equals, distribute 0.9 times 10 minus x. Distribute natin to. Equals 9 minus, ito naman, 0.9x. Kabila, 9.6 minus x. Transposition, 9.6 transpose dito, minus 9 equals ito, transpose doon, x minus 0.9x equals 9 minus 9 is equal to 0.6 equals 1 minus 0.9 equals 0.1x. Divide both sides by 0.1. Then x is equal to 6. Therefore, we need to evaporate 6 kilogram of water. Right? Okay guys, kung gusto niyo ng iba pang mga problem, nasa baba ang link. Pwede kayong manood. Thank you sa pakikinig.